Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm going to tell you how to install Python, and I will just create a simple Python program. So in this you have to just follow the instruction which I am showing you on the screen. So let's go. So first of all, I have opened this google.com, and here you can search python.org. This is the website where you can download the latest version of the Python. To download the latest version of Python is 3.1.111. So when we will just click it, it will automatically download the Python in your system. If you have some problem, you can just comment me, and I will just tell you how to install this Python 3.11.4. So after installation of the Python, I have already installed it. So after installation, you have to type run and then cmd. Cmd is a default version of the command prompt. So I have already installed, so I will just check the version whether the Python is working or not. So I will just write python 3. It is the latest version of Python 3 double dash vers. So it will tell me the latest version of the Python. So to start the Python program in the command prompt, so we have to type python Python and just enter it. It will just start the Python process. So we will check whether the Python is working or not. So I will just type some value 50 plus 50. Okay, so I am just calculating whether it will give me the result or not. I will just, so it has given me the result 100. We can do anything, just 5 minus 10 minus 5 5 into 5, so it will give me 25. So how it is now, we will write exit. So exit, so to exit, control plus Z, enter. So we have just get back in our system. So I will just cut this, and I will just open Visual Studio Code. So I will just open the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I have just opened this Visual Studio Code, where I have just make a file name first.py. First Python extension is always written in py format. So I will just write one program, and I will just run it, and I will tell you. So in this I will write I will print my age and my name. So for this I will use age is equal to 29. So the numeric in Python, the numeric has we don't need any comma, inverted comma. So in the string we need it. So I will write name is equal to Dev. Okay, so now I will just enter again, and I will print it. It will be in brackets. So my name is, what is my name? So it will print the value which is input here and the value which is input here. So it will call this. So I will write name, comma, name, and again comma, inverted comma, and my age is, comma, and age. Okay, so all done. I will control save, and I will just go to the terminal, and I will put python 3, and the program name is first.py. okay, so we have got the result. My name is Dev and my age is 29. Okay, so this is how you can run your Python program. So there is a full series of the all the Python basic program I have created. You can get it on my GitHub also. Here is my GitHub. You can just download and you can run the programs which I have just uploaded. So okay, your profile, I'm going to my profile and I will have Python programs for beginners. So these are some programs where I have done while loop, while tuple, to-do list, and my age list, function.py, for loop, and con statements also. So okay, I will just copy this program and I will just go to Visual Studio and I will Control A, delete, Control V. So I will run this program. What is this in this program? My age is 75. If the age is less than 19, print the person is child. If the age is greater than 70, then print the person is adult. Else print the person is senior citizen. Okay, so it will, we will just go to python.fast.py. Okay, I think the program is not saved. Control save. Python 3. You can see this, the person is senior citizen. Why? Because the age is 70. If I will change it to 15, okay, I will save it and again I will run it. The person is child. Why the person is child? Because the age is less than 19. And if I will put the age is 85, then you will see the person is senior citizen. This is how the Python works. So it is very easy to learn. There are various programs for loop function. So if you want to add two numbers, okay, so you can just copy it and I will just go to I will write. So what is the result? It's the result is 3, 1 or 2. Add two numbers. Okay, so I will just change the value. I will just add 550 and I will just add here 40.